Hi there, I'm Dr. Noelle Lucas from the Blue Oasis Pet Hospital, and we are a fear-free certified practice. And I'd like to take a little bit of time to introduce that to you guys and also help you understand what does that mean. And I have my husband here, he's going to ask me a few questions about being a fear-free certified professional and practice.
So Dr. Lucas, what does it mean to be a fear-free certified practice and professional?
Yeah, so fear-free certification has sort of hit the mainstream probably over the last 10 years. It's actually being talked about in our conferences and also in veterinary school, and our technical schools are training toward this. So what does it mean? It means that fear-free professionals have gone through certification to understand the mental sort of health and emotional well-being of your pet while they're receiving veterinary services. So we are actually taking time to step back and look at those pets that we're taking care of and see how we can maybe make their experience getting veterinary medicine better and even staying in our hospitals. What can we do to make that stay less stressful, less fearful, and reduce their anxiety and stress?
So how does a hospital become a fear-free certified practice?
So you actually have to sort of apply for certification, and it simply means that we have set standards within our hospital that circulate around this concept of how can we do better to reduce fear, anxiety, and stress in your pet. And every single one of our team members has to go through fear-free certification. So every one of us is a fear-free certified professional. And then if we're all certified and we stick to our standards as being fear-free professionals, we are then we become a fear-free practice. And that's awesome.
So why should a pet owner seek out a fear-free practice?
Fear-free practices have this holistic mindset in place on when your pet is even at home and before they even come into our veterinary hospital, we're already thinking about how can we make that trip a little bit gentler and nicer for them? How can we introduce them into this veterinary space in a more kind and gentle way to reduce anxiety and stress? When we're in exam rooms with them, how can we sort of handle them, having treats for the dogs, maybe having catnip and warm towels for the cats. We have calming music in our rooms, pheromones going, and so we just are practicing kind of in that 360 world of how can we care for your pet while they're getting veterinary care in a gentler way.
So what does a visit look like from fear-free beginning to end?
Yeah, so oftentimes, if they're just coming in for just a general wellness visit, it depends on that pet, and if we've seen them before, we might have already recognized they have a lot of fear, anxiety, and stress, and there's different levels. We grade them from 1 to 5. So if your pet is, anywhere from like a 2, 3, 4, or 5, if they're really nervous with us, then we're going to maybe ask you to give them some pre-visit pharmaceuticals is what we call it, or calming medication before they even come in to see us. We're going to maybe ask you to bring in some of their favorite treats, maybe a favorite toy. We're going to actually send you a pre-visit questionnaire on how your pet enjoys to be handled. So we're going to already be thinking about your pet before they even come into the hospital. And then when they're here, we're going to just be doing lots of things to sort of make them feel as comfortable as we can while they're receiving the care that we need to provide for them.
So what does it mean for a professional doctor to be considered a fear-free certified professional?
So again, just having gone through the training is incredibly important because we actually then all speak the same language. We're all able to help recognize those symptoms of fear, anxiety, and stress, and then we're able to take action. So we're going to provide some kind of therapeutic treatment plan, or we're going to provide some sedation, and we're not going to push them beyond where they feel comfortable. We will, as professionals, we'll just back off and we'll regroup and we'll try it another way, or we'll reschedule for another time. So having a fear-free certified practice means you're getting the best emotional support in your pet's sort of well-being while they're within veterinary medicine. And so we invite you to look for fear-free certified practices. If you can't find one in your area, look for fear-free certified professionals, because again, they've gone through the training. Fear-free certified practices are wonderful places for your pet, and we hope that you come and visit us here at Blue Oasis Pet Hospital and experience how a fear-free hospital can be. Thank you.